A budget is your plan for the future, and in business, sales is usually our starting point. How much can we sell? In this case, Ash expects it can sell 600 slim MP3 players at €140 each, yielding 84,000, and 400 durable MP3 players at €160 each, yielding €64,000, giving us a total budgeted sales of €148,000, and that's our starting off point. Next we move to our production budget. We've already said we're going to sell 600 units of slim. We want to end up the period with stock of 110. So we should produce 710 units so that we can sell 600 and still have 110 left. However, as we have opening stock of 120 units of slim, we need produce only 590 units. So it's our budgeted sales plus the stock we want to end up with, less the stock we already have at the start. Applying this for durable, we plan to sell 400. We need to end the period with closing stock of 60. So let's produce 460. But as we have 80 produced already, we already have it in our opening stock. We need produce only 380 units. Next we move to our material usage budget. Here we're going to calculate how much raw materials we intend to use during the period. We have two materials, material A and B. And according to the question, we're going to use 3 grams of material A for every slim MP3 player we produce. So we intend to produce 590 slims. Each will use 3 grams. So that's 1770 grams of material A. Moving on to the durable MP3 players. Each one of those, the question tells us, uses 4 grams of material A, and as we're going to produce 380 durables, we'll have 380 by 4, 1520 grams of material A. Together with the 1770 we need for slim, brings us to a material usage budget of 3290 grams for A. See if you can talk yourself through the 4260 grams for material B. Next we move to the material purchases budget. We've already calculated how much raw materials we intend to use. So let's take material A. We've just calculated that we're going to use 3290 grams of material A in production. We also intend to have a closing stock, the question tells us, of 320 grams. So we'll add that in, but we already have 300 grams of material A in stock, so that means we need buy only 3,310 grams of material A. Very similar to the calculation of the production budget, where we took our sales, added our desired closing stock and subtracted our opening stock. We're doing the same here, except it's the material we need for production plus the materials we want to end up with, closing stock, less the materials we already have, opening stock. So for material A, we need to purchase 3,310 grams. The budgeted likely price of each gram being €10. So our material purchases budget in euros for material A will be €33,100 and 47,080 for material B. Check out B for yourself, bringing us a total material purchases budget of 80,180. Move on now to the labour budget. are how much we intend to spend on wages, direct wages, manufacturing wages, production wages. We've already worked out that we intend to produce 590 units of Slim, and the question tells us that each one will take 6 hours, so that's 3,540 hours in total for Slim. Durable, of which we're producing 380, take 5 hours each, so that's 1,900 hours. So in all, our budgeted direct labour in hours is 5,440 hours. And we intend to pay our employees €12 per hour, so that will give us a direct labour budget of €65,280.